Mic check. Did this table wipe off? Table not wipe off. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Red Lobster, guys. We are at Red Lobster. Let's see if I see anything that says Red Lobster over here, guys. It should say Red Lobster, but yes, guys, we are here at Red Lobster having dinner. Guys, that's their salt. And this is their pepper. See that, guys? Yeah. But anyways, we ordered already, guys. So what did you order?
Seafood broil.
We order seafood broil, guys. So that is what it is. So seafood broil. That is it. So stick and stay and watch what's happening, guys. Don't move a muscle. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. All right. That is it. Stick and stay and watch what's happening. I'll come back when the food is here, guys. Okay? Red Lobster. It's my favorite place. Okay, guys? Don't ever forget that. Sabi?
Here's some fresh bread for you.
Thank you.
Here's your ginger ale.
Thank you. Food they left sitting. Guys, see that? See that? Epic. Guys, their bread is super duper good. Their bread is super duper good, guys. Really good. See that? That is it. It's so soft. Cheers, guys. This is ginger ale. That is it, guys. This is really good, guys. Really, really good. See that? Really, really good, guys.
It's not overly spicy. It's not super spicy. You feel it after it kind of goes back to the throat. It's not overpowering. It's one of my favorite flavors. I really like to.
That is it, guys. Is that good? Really good. What's the quality like? Very good, guys. Look at that. See that? Really good.
that we use for the garlic shrimp.
That's it, guys. Red Lobster. It sells lobster, king crab, snow crab, shrimp. Guys, they have so many things. Look at this. This is their menu, guys. You see that? This is their menu. This says treat yourself. So this is dessert. I'll tell you speedless. See this, guys? This is what's happening, guys. Okay? That is it, guys. Food for days. What did you order? Guys, I'm telling you, this thing, indeed.
Yeah, because the face tracking.
Yeah, that's why if you move, it moves with you guys. But this is fun. This is totally fun. Yes, that is it, guys. Really fun. That is it. I'm hungry, guys. I need some more biscuits. Guys, their biscuits is super duper good.
Yeah, but then we keep on eating the biscuit and then I got eating our food. Then we keep on eating the biscuit and I got eating our food.
Yeah, that is it.
I'll be right back.
That is it, guys. Food. No man, you can stay. It's moving with me. Guys, their ultimate feast, super duper. Super duper good. It's a birthday over there, guys. Somebody's celebrating their birthday, which is good. Really good. But stick and stay, guys, and watch what's happening. That is it, guys. So, follow me. That is it, guys. Food. I'm famished. No. 7 o'clock almost. It's okay. Hey guys, you can't open the screen. Maybe like to turn it like that.
No, even though I crank up like that, it's still gonna see because it's in landscape. Even though this in portrait, you get me? Yeah. So if you be like,
yes, much better. Much better. That is it, guys. Red Lobster. It not going away, so stay with me. That is it. A problem today. Where you go, problem today. Excuse me, can I have some more biscuits, please? Some more biscuits, of course. Thank you. Trouble today. Guys, we'll check in back in a few minutes, guys. When the food come, we'll check in, guys. That is it. The food. I just want you guys to see the big portion of food that you're going to be getting. Okay, like, oh my God, like there is corn in there, 2 pieces of corn. There is baby potato, red potatoes. There is also crab legs. There's also 1 lobster tail. They don't give the full lobster up here, guys, unless you request it, but they don't give it to you up here. But listen, excuse me, and they give you 10 shrimp. 10 or 20. I think they give you 20 shrimps. Yeah, you get 2 dozen shrimp in that also, guys. That's a lot of shrimp. So I can't wait. It's gonna be, I can't wait. It's gonna be really good. It's gonna be really good, guys. So stick and stay until food time, okay, guys? All right.
Cheers. Family time out.
That is it.
Red lobster. So you're getting more bread.
We are just waiting for fresh bread to come out of the oven, so
Okay.
as soon as it's ready, I'll bring it out for
No
you.
problem. Thank you, Han. This one is on facial.
Your food up and ready.
Okay. Put it down.
You don't want to sit down on this house.
Huh?
I don't want to sit down on this house.
How what?
You don't want to sit down on this house.
Why?
Where you can't see.
I can see. Oh, you wanted to see it too?
No, not really.
Because we can turn it to show you what you have and stuff like that. Guys, have you ever been out? I'm right here. Nah, thing there. Portion.
You do like this.
Condoms with thick and thick and friendship back. No, I love this. Yes, guys. So, the meal. Guys, I'm hungry. I need to eat some food. This plate, guys, listen. No cooking today. Guys, listen. It is so packed in here. Like, we were waiting for over a half an hour to be seated. Yeah, it's really packed. So,
I surprised your belly today.
oh, thank you. Thank you very much. But yes, guys, the food is amazing, okay? The food is amazing. So, I just can't wait to have my plate in front of me so you guys can see what the food is like. Like, yeah. That is it, guys. Can't wait. So the higher it gets, why are you following me? Why are you following me? But anyways, guys, keep watching.
Why you selecting soft and cut the figure?
Unfiltered?
Unfiltered and cut. They're making more fresh bread for you. They're making fresh bread for you.
Okay.
Or you eat all of the bread, then your belly gonna full. Wow. Yep. Problem.
It's here. Guys, take it off the facial.
Some more bread.
Thank you.
Each of your setups.
Okay. Hold it down so you can see it. It's not showing the plates. Turn it down a little, like turn it. Did that burn?
Here's the regular butter with 1 spice level.
Thank you.
And then who would like a beverage other than water? Oh yeah.
You can't get it heated more?
Heated more.
Yeah.
I can ask them for you.
Please.
Right?
Please.
Did you want to have this one heated more as well? Did you want to see if that's hot enough for you?
Alright, let's go out with this. I'm good.
Yours is good?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll have them heat it more. for
Here.
you.
Thank you, hon.
Alright.
Where is the...
You will need a little bit hot. If it's warm, it's not hot. Yeah.
It doesn't have to be piping hot for me to eat that. Where's the shrimps?
I don't know. It's a shrimp in there?
Yeah, guys, look at this. So good. There's the other one. There. Really good, guys.
It's almost the same. This one, yeah, they're almost the same. So instead of this one is
Jesus Lord. Guys, I like my shrimp and I like my food to be hot. Piping hot. This is for $50. This is what $50 food look like, guys.
This is the lobster. This is the liquor bean lobster.
Guys, this is what $50 food look like. Okay, guys, look at that. Ultimate feast. See that? This is a bus.
This is our liquor lobster.
Sorry, I have your boils heating up a little bit.
Okay.
While you're waiting, would you like a Caesar salad, fries on the house? Are you waiting?
A Caesar salad.
Okay, I'll get that ready for you.
That's the one without onion, right?
No onions, yeah. It
Oh.
will be romaine, dressing, and croutons on top.
Okay,
And
thank
cheese, Parmesan cheese.
Thank you, honey.
Okay.
Guys, you see, because I tell them I need my food to be heated hotter, we're getting a salad on the house. Can I try it? Take out a piece of this.
I can't.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
This is a lobster.
Yeah, that's the lobster.
A clear fish. Take it out.
Oh gosh, guys, this,
Okay.
there's nothing there. One young crab. See that, guys? You see the lobster? I mean the shrimp, juicy. So you eat with glove, guys. Over here you eat with gloves. So you don't get your hand dirty, guys. See that? I would love my biscuits.
You get biscuit? More?
Yeah, more there. There's the biscuit, guys.
Biscuit.
Crumbles. See that, guys? I'm still waiting on mine, guys.
There's a salad while they're heating up the boil for
Thank you, baby
Shouldn't
girl.
be too much longer.
Thank you, Han. Guys. Salad. It's a what?
This can come out, I say.
Oh, wow. For real? It's a boss.
Lots of waste.
Let me see inside.
It's a waste.
See your plate there. Here. Dada. This is your bib. I'm gonna show them. Oh wow. Guys. Wait now. It's on me. Guys, look at this. I have a bib, guys.
Where is it? I can put in that one.
Yeah, you put it in that plate.
Something there.
One of this, you want it? Okay, we'll take it out with your hand then if you don't want it.
I'm going to hold something in this hand.
This is what you use and dig out the lobster. Do you need it? Here. So guys, you put on your bib like this. Excuse me. So you see the lobster, guys? So see, guys, red lobster. You see that, guys? Yeah. So this is a salad that I got. See that, guys?
Mix that up.
Thank you very much.
How's tasting so far? Okay. There we go.
It's showing me? Okay. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
smoke is coming out.
Yes, I can't eat cold food. That's just me. Sorry though.
No problem.
You're the chef?
No, I'm
You want the manager. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Guys, you see that steam? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, I have shrimp, guys. Look at this. Guys, I can't eat the shrimp tail. Woo.
Oil, we have everything we need. All right, enjoy.
Thank you. Guys, woo. Yes, Lord Jesus. It's hot. Move in the basket here. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Don't run away, guys. Come back to me. Look at this. Juicy lobster, juicy shrimp. Look at that. See that? Guys. Woo. And it's spicy, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Guys. Yeah. See that? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. This tastes good. Guys, this is epic. Good. Really good, guys. Shrimp pie is something this one. You get 24 shrimp, guys. Oh my god. Really good. Really good, guys. Oh. Guys. I have the... Guys, this can't do nothing. Can't do nothing at all, guys. Woo. See that, guys? Oh my gosh, let me have a small fork. Small fork. Guys, this is so good.
Where's your one? The one you gave?
Yeah.
So then it's like your picking.
There's other. Where's your paper towel? With your knife and fork in it. Oh gosh, guys.
How's everything tasting for you so far?
Good.
Good. It's hot enough for you now.
Oh, girl, yes.
Perfect. All right.
I don't know.
enjoy.
I cannot eat cold food. I rather to blow
get
through
it.
it. You know,
Yeah.
that's me.
I get it. I'm actually the opposite. I prefer it more on the lukewarm cold
Oh
side.
no, he would.
I do understand that.
He
people
would
like
take it out of the fridge and eat it just like that. No,
Yeah.
can't do that. Very good.
You have what you like, and that's okay.
That is it. Okay, thank you, baby girl. Guys. This is not talking time. This is enjoy time. Oh. Guys, I've got some in my eye. You want this one? Guys, the thing went in my eye. Sorry, guys. The sauce went in my eyes.
Spicy.
And it is spicy. Oh my gosh, my food is. Guys, this is the bomb. Thank you. Guys, this is bad. Guys. Guys, this is really messy, guys. Really messy. Okay, this is a lobster tail. You see that, guys? Yeah, that's a lobster tail that I got. So let's see. Guys, I have to be fighting with this lobster. I really have to be fighting with it, but guys, the lobster now come out of the shell. Oh. Guys? Yes, ma'am. Hot, guys. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Guys, look. We have corn in the cup. This can eat last. I'm not worried about that. I gotta eat my sweet food first, guys. See that? Oh my God, can I hear that? Oh my God. That look nice. You don't want the potatoes?
I can't eat too much of it.
You want it? Salad? Guys, this is pepper. I'm peeling off the skin.
I think would have enjoyed the ultimate piece with that.
Really? This is nice and pepper though. I like that.
Yeah.
Love your dress. And went the wrong way.
Oh gosh.
Absolutely, please do. Yes, absolutely. Jen should be right back.
Guys, this is epic. Why? Up in that hole, you know. I mean, guys, that I wipe off your mouth. Oh my, ow. That stick me. Yeah. Sure.
What's that?